Ooh, I'm ready for some pizza today. We're back for another episode of Anoka County Eats, and we're at Mansetti's Pizza in Anoka. Let's check it out. Greg, thanks so much for having us.
You bet.
Looking forward to getting to sit down and learn about Mansetti's Pizza and what you guys have going on here. So let's talk about your history. Tell me how long you've been around. I understand quite a few years.
This restaurant's 36 years old. We started here in 1985. I started in 86, and I've been here ever since, so I've been here for 35 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let's talk about COVID. I mean, how have you guys made it through? You know, some are thriving, some are struggling. How you guys make it through?
Luckily, we had carry-out already in place, we had delivery already in place, we had online ordering already in place, and basically all we did was shut down our dining room.
Tell us about some of those things that keep people coming back, some of your favorite staples, things that you guys are known for.
Some of our staples, pizzas, we have a thin crust pizza, we also have a double crust and a deep dish pizza, but our thin crust is the main. Probably 70-80% of all our pizzas are thin crust.
Wow.
That's what we're known for.
Sure.
And in that, our house special is probably our number one seller. It's just loaded. It's sausage, pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, green peppers, and black olives. So
that sounds fantastic.
it's a hearty pizza.
Yeah.
And then we have a whole variety of pastas. We make all of our own sauces. We also have some gluten-free options now.
Oh, good.
We found a cauliflower crust that is fantastic, and it doesn't taste like cardboard.
Good. That's hard to find. That's
It
great.
really is. Gluten-free is, or gluten-friendly now, has become a huge thing with people.
Yeah.
Almost everybody orders garlic toast to go with their food. So,
Sure.
we melt mozzarella cheese over the top of it, and it's fantastic.
That sounds delicious. Greg, this looks fantastic. I cannot wait to dig in. What are we eating today?
Well, we're going to try just a sample of some of the things that we have from our pasta menu. That's our spaghetti with meatballs and with the cheese on the garlic toast. We have our thin crust house special, a hugely popular item, sweet chili wings. They've got just a tiny bit of heat to them, not a lot, but they're obviously delicious.
Absolutely. Well, I think we should start with those. That looks fantastic.
All right.
No, it's so good. Almost Asian type of dressing.
Exactly.
Or sauce on
Yep.
it. Let's see. Should we do some spaghetti next? Let's try this one.
Okay. Well, this is just one of our pasta dinners. We also have lasagna. We have fettuccine. With the fettuccine, we do a chicken fettuccine, we do a plain fettuccine, and we also do a shrimp fettuccine.
Okay.
Wow. Yep. And then we also have rigatoni. For that, we have just our regular rigatoni. We have, try the meatballs.
Oh, yeah.
By all means. Those are homemade
Giant
meatballs.
meatball.
Yep.
Okay. That's fantastic.
Yep, that is our own recipe. We make these. My wife in the kitchen makes these meatballs every week.
They're very, very good. The seasoning in them, that spice or whatever we have in there is fantastic.
Well, we've always said the secret is in the sauce.
Yep.
If you don't have a good sauce, you're not going to be successful.
Oh, and this is what I'm especially excited about. Personally, you can give me all the veggies and I'll be perfectly happy. So, this is the house special you
The
called
house
it?
special, yep.
Okay.
So you get both meat and vegetables with this one.
Mm-hmm.
This is on our thin crust, which is our most popular. I've heard the style is called Chicago thin crust, but lately the term Minnesota thin crust is becoming popular, which probably describes it better because you don't. I've had people from all over the nation come in and they say they don't find this style crust anywhere else.
Sure. Kind of that cracker crust you were telling me.
Yep, it's a thin cracker, thick crust, and it's got a little bit of both chew and snappiness to it.
Mm-hmm. Well, Greg, this was fantastic. Thank you so much for having us over. Everything was delicious. The place is gorgeous. So Really, really appreciate you having us over.
Oh, thank you guys for coming. I really enjoyed having you guys here.
Well, that's it for this episode of Anoka County Eats. We'd love for you to go subscribe to us on YouTube. We've also got a Facebook group, so make sure you join the group there as well. My name's Joe Carmack. I'm a realtor in the Twin Cities. If you have any needs for buying or selling, would love to be your agent. Go ahead and find my business page as well on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks so much. I'll see you on the next one.